Hi, welcome back to my antics here. Today we're just going to shoot a short demonstration on cutting a strange piece, something that's not square. In this case, the bent lamination you see there coming off that form, laying up on the slider, and then I got to square the ends. So figure out where it needs to be, just sort of position some pieces from the scrapyard, backed it up with a little shim and wedge, and clamped it, and made the cuts. So there you see the first cut taking place. I will flip it over, and then you can see how I went ahead and secured everything down there. And I'll shut up now and just let you watch. Well, there you have it. Coming up here is some shots of the completed bed. Hopefully I'll get to do a little video project on that as well, so you can actually see the project take place. But that's what we got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, and bye-bye.